When you can take fresh, healthy ingredients and combine them in quick, delicious recipes, every meal and snack becomes a little bit like magic. Make it quick, healthy, and delicious with the original Magic Bullet.
$1,700 of smart technology, programmed to blast at the perfect speed, transforming food into nature's prescription. When you commit to reclaiming your life, good habits become completely automatic. Introducing the world's most powerful nutrient extractor, the NutriBullet RX.
Introducing the Tri-Best Slow Star 2-in-1 Vertical Slow Juicer and Mincer. Experience the taste and nutrition of nature's best with Tri-Best's best-in-class Slow Star Juicer. Start enjoying fresher, nutrient-rich juices today. With its low-speed pressing method of 47 RPM, the Slow Star efficiently juices all your favorites, from apples and carrots to celery and leafy greens. The Slow Star is a 2-in-1 machine. Just simply replace the top of the machine with the mincing attachment to mince a variety of ingredients for your favorite recipes, like sorbets, nut butters, pâtés, and sauces. Unlike other slow juicers, the Slow Star features Duo Blade. The Duo Blade auger creates a double cut for fewer jams, less pulp, and easily breaks down fibrous produce and leafy greens. Duo Blade's dual cutting edges do twice as much work as a traditional auger, and its 47 RPM low speed preserves more nutrients and produces juices with less foam and greater yield. The Slow Star's 200-watt motor and 3-stage speed reduction gears creates the torque equal to that of a 9-horsepower motor. That's twice the force of similar slow juicers. Unlike traditional slow juicers, the 3-stage reduction gears reduce noise and vibration, while the low-speed 47 RPM motor ensures the juices retain their freshness and healthy enzymes. Experience fresher, better tasting, nutrient-rich juice today with the Tri-Best Slow Star 2-in-1 Slow Juicer.